Rev up your engine! Today I'm going to show you how to fix a side door in a van that won't open. In this case, try as you can. Thing won't open either from the outside or the inside. Now we go inside and you can see it doesn't open from the inside either. And here's the problem. You can only get to it from the inside, so we're going to have to tear this plastic crap off. So first we unscrew the little handle here. There's two Phillips screws, one in the back. Off it comes. Then we have to take the screws off of the window piece here to get it out of the way so the plastic will come off. It just unscrews. Then we can pick that up, get it out of the way. Now we got to pull this plastic off. It's kind of a pain, but it does actually snap off. Grab the edges and it comes right out. Throw it in the back seat. Now that uncovers the bottom part. The latch is inside here. So we got to do the same thing here. We just pull a lot. Now, sometimes it'll stick on the bottom because it's closed, but in this case, it's got enough room that I can reach inside here and pull on the latch and get it open. We just reach inside here, there's a rod, and we pull on it. It can take a while sometimes. If you reach your arm in, pull it off, there it goes, ta-da, we got it open. Now we can get this out of the way. Well, we haven't fixed anything yet, but at least we got it open. And I've done so many of these. I know the cable assembly breaks. You got to buy the whole latch and assembly and then just replace it like this. The latch is in here, and as you can see, it's got these squirrely heads on them. You need a special socket that goes on there. And you unscrew them. Got them on pretty tight. And eventually you get all three off. And it slides down inside. Now, as you can see with the new cable assembly, there's a bunch of cables. So to get the old one out, rather than fish around, I just cut the old cables, cable cutter here. You just get the cutters and with a lot of wiggling and a little swearing, here's the old broken one. Then we'll take the bolts off the inner handle, get that off, and you slide the latch in and match up the three holes and screw them in. Get them on nice and tight. You don't want the hinge to be sliding. Remember to switch the ratchet to the other side. Then you snap the rod into the door handle. So then when you turn the handle, I'll shake it here, you'll see it move. Here's a better shot of it moving. Then you get the inside latch and stick the holes in there. And hold it in on the inside. Slip the latch on, put the nuts back on, make sure they're nice and tight. And before we put it all back together, let's close it and open it, make sure it works. Success! And inside, success! Now we can put the panels back on. And the top panel slips on. You want to get the little on-lock knob sticking up. It's always fun wrestling with this plastic junk. There we go. Then we get the window holder. Stick a screw in first, then line it up, and put the rest of the screws in. So now you know how to fix a door that has a broken latch. Sure, this was a side door on the van, but they all work in a similar manner. Any door's got a hinge, and they almost all have cables on now because they're cheaper made than they used to be when they had all solid metal parts. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.